Helo, siwmai. Yn y fideo yma, mi fydd yn hymarferydd lles seicolegol Bethan Hufsticler yn sôn am ein gweithdy Rhwystr Ymarfer Corff I staff ac yn esbonio ychydig am yr hyn sydd yn cael ei gynnwys.
Hello, my name is Bethan and I'm one of the psychological wellbeing practitioners in the Wellbeing Service. And I just wanted to talk to you a little bit today about our barriers to exercise workshop. So I'm just curious whether any of the following statements sound familiar to you at all. So do you ever find yourself saying, I don't have time to exercise, I don't have the energy to exercise, I've had negative experiences of exercise in the past, I don't enjoy exercise or I hate exercise, exercise is too hard, I struggle to find the motivation to exercise. All of these are really common barriers that a lot of us experience in terms of increasing our physical activity and our exercise. So we've developed a barriers to exercise workshop, which is a 2-hour interactive group session, which explores the common psychological barriers that a lot of people face when they're thinking about exercise. So during the session, we aim to connect staff to their values and why exercise might be important to them. We also explore ways of reframing how we view exercise, maybe thinking outside the box a little bit with different forms of exercise we can try, and also exploring ways to overcome some of the barriers to exercise that we were just talking about. We end the session by thinking about setting some SMART goals that help us to figure out how we can get started. That session is open to any staff who struggle to exercise on a regular basis and is held on Microsoft Teams. If you'd like to come along to our next session, please fill out our Wellbeing Service referral form and a member of the team will be in touch with how to book. Thank you everyone.
Diolch am wylio. Os hoffech chi fynychu ein gweithdy Rhwystr Ymarfer Corff I archwilio ymhellach sut mae'r rhain yn effeithio arnoch chi, cysylltwch â ni gan ddefnyddio'r cyfeiriad e-bost ar y sgrin.